Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kurnool was established in the year 2015 as Institute of National Importance by Act of Parliament to other needs of information technology, design and manufacturing for the country in cutting-edge areas.
Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kurnool was announced in the year 2014 by Government of India to give effect to its obligation under the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014. As per the approval of Parliament of India, IIIT-DM Kurnool was accorded the status of Institute of National Importance by making an amendment in IIIT Act 2014 on August 3, 2017. In 2015, the Andhra Pradesh government allocated an area of around 151 acres in Jagannath-Gattu of Dinadevarpadu village for the establishment of a permanent campus in the historic city of Kurnool. The institute currently offers 4 undergraduate programs: BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering with specialization Design and Manufacturing, BTech Mechanical Engineering with specialization in Design and Manufacturing, and BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. In addition to undergraduate programs, the institute also offers 3 MTech programs in Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Data Analytics and Decision Sciences, MTech in Electronic System Design, and MTech in Smart Manufacturing. PhD programs are also offered in all the departments. Presently, there are academic units such as the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and Department of Sciences. In addition to that, we also have few other supporting units. IIIT-DM Kurnool has well-qualified faculty in all the departments. In addition, we have adequate number of technical and supporting staff. All the departments have established state-of-the-art laboratories for teaching, experimentation, and research in the respective areas. The institute also has adequate hostel accommodation and dining facilities for boys and girls in the campus. The institute is situated next to Sri Rupala Sangameswara Swami Temple and Sri Abhaya Anjaneya Swami statue in Jagannath-Gattu. The institute, situated atop a hill, oversees the Kurnool city. The strong winds blowing over the Tungabhadra river makes the overall experience at the campus similar to that offered by a hill station.
The Department of Computer Science and Engineering offers BTech. Computer Science and Engineering curriculum is modeled in line with ACM, Association for Computing Machinery. IIIT-DM Kurnool offers one more 4-year BTech program in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. MTech, Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Data Analytics and Decision Sciences, and PhD programs in the relevant areas. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering is having expertise in the areas include Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, Graph Theory, Computer Networks, Wireless Sensor Network, Data Mining, Big Data Analytics, Data Science, Information Security, Internet of Things, Social Media. Under the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, there are CS Laboratory, IoT Laboratory equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure. Clubs managed by the department are Codigo Club, Data Science Club. The Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering offers BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering with specialization in Design and Manufacturing, MTech in Electronics System Design, and PhD programs in the relevant areas. The Department of Electronics and Communication has expertise in teaching and conducts research in the multidisciplinary areas related to VLSI design and embedded systems, wireless communication, electric drives, signal processing, sensors and instrumentation, RF and microwaves, and along with their respective laboratories. Mechanical Engineering with specialization in Design and Manufacturing, MTech Smart Manufacturing, and PhD programs in the relevant areas. The Department of Mechanical Engineering in IIIT-DM Kurnool has started with the aim of addressing the needs of current industrial requirements and emerging trends of 3D printing, additive manufacturing, digital twins, cyber physical systems, Industry 4.0. Department is organized in terms of 3 groups for academic and research purpose, which are Mechanical Design Group, Thermal Engineering Group, Manufacturing Science and Engineering Group. The Department of Science is providing the basic knowledge of engineering in the form of mathematics and science courses. Department is working towards making learning as fun. In the very first semester, students get an opportunity to do group projects as part of the regular lab sessions as per curriculum. Faculty will guide interested students to take up research and development activities at the early stage. They are encouraged to test and develop their ideas into innovative design and products. The department manages various clubs like astronomy, quantum, etc. Institute has hostels with all the facilities for comfort and safety of students. Kalam Hall of Residence for boys. Kalpana Chawla Hall of Residence for girls. Institute has designed common dining facility Hilltop Dining Hall to provide nutritious and hygienic food menu. All the hostels will be provided purified mineral water with permanently established water purification plants. Institute has established best-in-class gym with all facilities with separate access timings for boys and girls. The hostels are having other facilities like round-the-clock security, CCTV surveillance, washing machines at all hostels, water geysers at designated places in washrooms at all floors, indoor sports facilities, reading room, TV room, cafeteria. Students of the institute are very enthusiastic in managing the various clubs like various technical clubs, cultural club, fitness club and literature club. IIITDM Kurnool has an active training and placement cell to facilitate the career opportunities with full-time positions to its students. This year, many students have received their offers from companies that work in areas of AI applications in medical and healthcare, network security, data analytics, e-commerce. The institute is growing constantly towards development of best human resources and infrastructure in the areas of information technology, design and manufacturing for the country.